Okay, so it's irrigation day. We're gonna flood this whole 1.25 acres with a bunch of water, and that's how I keep this all nice and green and have the big trees. I don't ever water in between. It's just the irrigation every 2 weeks. Got about 5 minutes before I have to open up my port. So what I'm gonna do right now is just walk around, make sure all of our stuff is out of the flood area. As you can see, I've already let the noisy goats out. And I've locked the chickens up. So we're just gonna go get our stuff out of the way. Okay, the port's open, water's coming. I think the ducks are excited. This is in his car. Check out the fort. We'll get an hour and 45 minutes of water. It'll fill up this whole entire area. Mommy. What, babe? Thank you. Where's your goat, Chase? My goat's following me. Just like to point out that this is the first time he's been able to swing by himself and not fall off. Got my crappy porch cleaned off. It's always a task. Oh, one of my roosters is crowing for you guys. Kids are on the trampoline. Water's filling up nice out in the yard. And we got 45 minutes left. Okay, our hour and 45 minutes is up. Heading out. These up to my shins. Not to turn our water off. It's a lot of water. Dogs sure do love it. Okay, so I'm recording the second half of our video on our new camera. See if we can see a difference in sound and picture quality. Everything's all muddy. I just put the goats in their pen with their grain. The yard's still full of water. I have to go open up the gate down here so the chickens can get out. See if I sink in the mud. scare the ducks away. Also got to set down because the irrigation will take all the water troughs away, so I empty them out. So I got to put them back down and fill them back up. Seems pretty silly to fill up a water bucket when you're walking in a foot of water, but it'll soak in. Chloe, you're getting all wet. You're getting all wet. A little water still coming out of my port. I wonder if my seal is cracked. Not much. A little bit. These dogs sure do love the irrigation. So we have these little ants. I don't know if you guys can see them. I've always grown up calling them piss ants because they bite like crazy. And I have them throughout the yard, but I don't want to spread poison because obviously I free range and I don't want to poison one of my birds. I don't know what to do to get rid of them, but they freaking hurt. And you don't even know they're there. Excuse me, turkeys. And all of a sudden you just feel this burning on your foot. And it's darn ants. I have them up here too. This is where they always seem to get me. And my little chickies. I'd just like to point out that all 12 of my little baby chicks are still alive. So I'm getting pretty darn good at this whole farming thing. And look how cute they are. My bigger teenagers over there. They are so cute. Okay, so I'm still not convinced that Gordy knows that he's a duck because look. That's Gordy all by himself. And all the other ducks, the zoom works pretty good on this thing, are way back there. And then Gordy all by himself. I don't know. Maybe he's gonna go try to be a duck. Hey, this thing works pretty good at nighttime. Scare all the ducks away. Bentley's fast asleep. You had a long day. I really can't see over there. So we were eating dinner and one of the cats was messing at the back door and I went over to check and it was a itty bitty scorpion. So small. If you know me, you know I hate scorpions. It's like a big fear. So we came out and we checked and we found 3 more little ones and 2 big ones. One of the big ones got away because I wanted to spray it with poison and Anthony wanted to flick it out of its hole and I was standing behind him, so I backed up and he missed. So we'll have to come back out and find it some other time. But for now, everything is sleeping. Ducks are out under the trampoline in the water. Everything else is in the trees over there, but you really can't see it. Everybody have a good night. Don't forget to subscribe.